My name is Dr. R.K. Gupta. I am the Vice Chancellor, Chicago Open University, USA, Delaware. Today we had our third convocation in Delhi Constitution Club, where we had about 50 awardees from different parts of India and abroad. We had people from Dubai, we had people from Arunachal Pradesh, we had people from Nagaland, Punjab, Haryana, Maharashtra, Andhra, and it was a wonderful program attended by a lot of top dignitaries, VVIP people. We had a lot of different categories of awards given to different people as such. It was a wonderful event, and we're looking forward that we are able to bring more such people in the society who have achieved something to get recognized by Chicago Open University, and we look forward to seeing all of you again in the next event coming shortly within a month or two. Thank you.
I request Shri Ajay Sharma ji also to be a part of ceremonial lamp lighting ceremony.
सबसे ज़्यादा गर्मी ऊपर वाले केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ते थे।
प्रकाश ज्ञान का प्रतीक है। विद अ सोलफुल गणेश वंदना, विघ्नहर्ता भगवान गणेश का स्मरण करके हर शुभ कार्य आरंभ होता है। Goddess Saraswati, the embodiment of wisdom, learning and speech. Let this Saraswati Vandana guide our thoughts towards knowledge and clarity. मां सरस्वती की वंदना जो ज्ञान, बुद्धि और वाणी की अधिष्ठानी देवी है, आइए हम सभी मां सरस्वती से आशीर्वाद प्राप्त करें और समारोह सार्थक और प्रेरणादायक बने। So with this, I invite the 3 children of the NGO of Ms. Deepa to kindly come and proceed for the Ganesh Vandana and Saraswati Vandana.
By awarding lifetime achievement awards to the people working in various fields, particularly the tribal population. Upliftment of tribal population is being taken care of by this university. This is very, very important, and I was very happy to meet people from various walks of life. They were from engineering, they were from academics, they were from social service, they were from the tribal areas, and the love for Hindi in this seminar, the tribals, particularly 7 sisters, people from 7 sisters. 7 sisters means 7 states of our India which are bordering China. The people spoke in Hindi and they were so proud of India and Indian culture. it gives me an immense pleasure that I am the part of such a big organization. I will be very happy to work with them again. Thank you very much. And may I also know your name, sir? I'm proud of Ansari family as such that because I was recommended for Padma Shri Award by the Governor of Bihar, and he comes from Ansari community, Shri Kidwai Sahab.
अच्छी पहल है
And ladies and gentlemen,
और बड़े मुश्किल
can
से
you see the book which I am
अच्छे लोगों का
holding?
इकट्ठा होना दुश्वारी होती है, पर आज ये खुशनुमा मौका है जिसमें कि
I
सारे
welcome our guest
लोग
of
आए
honor,
हैं
Shri
जिनको कि
Vijay Ram
सम्मानित
Ratan
किया
ji,
जाना है,
who is the
सम्मानित हो रहे हैं।
for this
और मैं
book.
इसके लिए
He is the chairman,
आयोजन के
Ram
लिए
Ratan Group.
गुप्ता जी को
Patron
उनके
for
सभी
Excellence
सहयोगियों को
Chronicles,
मेरी
CEO
अपनी
in
शुभकामनाएं
Copenhagen,
देता हूँ
which you can
और
see.
उम्मीद करता हूँ कि चिकागो
And
यूनिवर्सिटी
also,
के काम का विस्तार होगा और सब लोगों को
he
देश में
deals with
जिस प्रकार की
farming,
एक्टिविटी
selling.
चला रहे स्किल
So
के लिए
whoever is
उसमें वो
interested,
कामयाब
if you
होंगे।
could see
मेरी ओर
at
से
the
बहुत
back
बहुत
of this
शुभकामनाएं।
book,
आप
this is
सबके
the
प्रति
beautiful
इस
cover page.
आयोजन के प्रति भी
Okay.
मैं
So whoever is
बहुत बहुत बधाई
interested
देता हूँ।
in the
धन्यवाद।
land, I request you to kindly contact
वाइस चांसलर शिकागो ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी के डॉक्टर पीके गुप्ता, भावना गुप्ता, सभी पूरे परिवार को बहुत बहुत हमारी तरफ से शुभकामनाएं, हार्दिक बधाई। इतना अच्छा कार्यक्रम ऑर्गेनाइज किया और प्रतिभाओं को सम्मान देने का काम किया। ये एक पूरे समाज के लिए दर्पण का काम करेगा और एजुकेशन के क्षेत्र में जो भी इनसे बन पड़ेगा, ऐसा मुझे विश्वास है कि लोग आगे भी करते रहेंगे। बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
मीत सिंह चड्डा है, मैं वर्ल्ड सिख चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स का ग्लोबल चेयरमैन की सेवा निभा रहा हूँ। आज हम यहाँ पे शिकागो यूनिवर्सिटी की कॉन्वोकेशन सेरेमनी में आए हैं और लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड देने के लिए यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हुए हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब में। यूनिवर्सिटी हर साल जो सोशल वर्क फिलॉन्थ्रोपी में जो अच्छा काम करते हैं उनको पीएचडी डिग्री ऑनरी कॉसा से निवाजती है और साथ में लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड देती है। आज हम सारे यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हुए हैं उनको सम्मान देने के लिए, क्योंकि अगर ये सारे जब तक अचीवमेंट को रिवार्ड नहीं दिया जाएगा तब तक और अच्छे लोग जो गुलिस्तान बाहर निकल के नहीं आएंगे तब तक देश तरक्की नहीं करेगा। इसलिए ये सम्मान देना बहुत ज़रूरी है। मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ आर.के. गुप्ता जी को, भावना गुप्ता जी को, जो इन्होंने इतना अच्छा ये कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया। धन्यवाद।
I'm a member of the board of Chicago Open University and director GetSer LLP. This is the convocation ceremony for Honoris Causa Lifetime Achievement and Excellence Award under the Department of Honorary Awards. Now, what is Honoris Causa? Honoris Causa is an award given to those who have done a lot of contribution for the society, and we want to recognize their efforts. And the same with Lifetime Achievement, those who have contributed to the society over 30 years. Plus, we like to recognize them for their efforts, and excellence is the younger, the startups and the MSME. So today is a wonderful occasion. It's still going on, and you saw we had our chief guest Satyanarayan Jatia ji, Bajpayee ji. The name is endless. We also had Gyani Bhai Sahab from the Delhi Gurdwara Darbar. We had former Ambassador of India, former High Commissioner of India, and I will give you the names if you are interested separately. And so it's wonderful going on. We have a wonderful set of speeches which are going on, and those speeches are a valuable set of video and audio that we are going to archive, and you will see it on our website. We already have a book. You can get that book on our website in the LMS, and there are hard copies also being given out. So thank you so much and all the best.
Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta. I am the founder president of Global Trade and Technology Council of India and Lions Club Delhi Badge. Today, Chicago Open University USA has organized a convocation ceremony in Constitution Club of India. I like to thank you, Mr. Gupta and Mrs. Bhavna Gupta, for inviting me. It is a great honor. It is always good to achieve something and to honor the achievers. They have provided the honorary causa degree to the achievers from all over India. A lot of VIPs and dignitaries are here. Mr. Jatia, the former minister, Mr. Amrinda Khatua, Parmeet Singh Chadda ji, Granthi Saab, और काफ़ी लोग अच्छे लोग आए. Vice Chancellor of Patanjali University, they are all here. So it is really proud to be here. Congratulations to all achievers and thanks to the organizers. Thank you.